Hello students of class 8. Today also we will continue with our question and answers from working with wood and bamboo after activity 7. What did I learn from others? Name 3 things you learned from the carpenter, experts, teachers during the project. Answer: 3 things learned from carpenter, expert or teachers. Technical skills, specific techniques from carpenters or experts, proper tool handling and safety, professional finishing methods, efficient cutting and joining techniques, problem solving approaches, how experienced workers handle challenges, alternative methods when primary approach fails, creative solutions using available resources, safety first mindset. Quality standards, understanding what makes good craftsmanship, attention to detail, patience in execution, pride in finished work. So the collaboration with experienced people helps gain real skills in safe handlings and finished techniques. Number 2. What was the most difficult step in making your product? How did speaking to others, example peers, teachers, experts, family, community members, etc. help? Answer: the most difficult steps often require external input. The most difficult step was joining the bamboo pieces with twine for my bamboo pen stand. The knots kept slipping. I spoke to my classmate's father, a bamboo craftsman person, and he taught me the clove hitch knot. My teacher also suggested soaking the twine in water to make it tighter. This made the joint strong and neat. Peers share creative ideas and design feedback. Teachers provide structured guidance and safety oversight. Experts offer professional techniques and troubleshooting. Family or community give practical wisdom and encouragement. So students, you can just choose the hardest part of your project, then explain how advice, demonstrations or assistance from other person helped you overcome that difficulty, emphasizing the value of collaboration. So here learning principle is no craft person works in isolation. So students, seeking help is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. What did I do and how long did it take? It is important to understand how much time is required for an activity to be completed. Calculate the appropriate number of hours you spent on each activity. Mark them on the timeline below. If you did more than the activities suggested in the book, please add the number and time taken. Answer: Activity 1, time taken periods is 2. Activity 2, time taken periods is 1. Activity 3, time taken periods is 3. Activity 4, time taken periods is 4. Activity 5, time taken periods is 3. Activity 6, time taken periods is 1. Activity 7, time taken periods is 2. So total periods used were 16. Each period equal to 50 minutes. Total equal to 10.5 hours. What else can I do? Create a mini orchestra using simple handmade wooden instruments like an ektara, a wooden shaker filled with seeds or beads, a clapper made from 2 pieces of flat wood, or a mini drum using a wooden container and cloth. Creating musical instruments. This extension activity combines carpentry with cultural awareness and creativity. Ektara, 1 string instrument. Materials: bamboo or wooden stick, coconut shell, hollow cylinder, string, tuning peg. Construction: attach resonator, coconut shell to stick, string from top to bottom, create tuning mechanism. Cultural significance: widely used in Indian folk music. Bamboo flute, hollow bamboo piece, drill holes at specific intervals for notes, blow across opening to create sound. Physics, understanding sound waves and pitch. Damaru, hand drum, two small wooden bowls joined with string and beads, twist, race to create rhythmic sounds. Cultural connection associated with Lord Shiva. Chipli Ghungru bells, attach small bells to wooden base, create various rhythmic patterns, application, dance and music performances. Think and answer. Did you enjoy doing this project? Yes, it was enjoyable and educational. I learned practical carpentry skills and created real useful products. What did you like and what would you do differently next time? I liked using tools and seeing the final product take shape. Next time, I would plan better measurements and ensure smoother finishing. Number 3. Wood has been a part of human civilization and part of the life of humans. It is present in almost every moment and every step of human life. Find out whether it is mentioned in literature and scriptures. Quote the words that talk of wood and provide translation if needed. Wood and trees are extensively mentioned in ancient literature and scriptures worldwide. Scripture or source, word or quote, translation context. The Bible, example book of Exodus. Sittim wood or acacia wood. Translation, this is the specific wood commanded to be used for constructing the Ark of the Covenant and parts of the Translation, this is the specific wood commanded to be used for constructing the Ark of the Covenant and parts of the Tabernacle. Exodus 25:10. It was chosen for its durability and resistance to decay. Scripture, the Bible, book of Genesis. Word or quote, gopher wood. Translation, the material from which Noah's ark was built. The exact species is uncertain, but it refers to a durable resinous timber. Scripture, the Bible, Greek New Testament. Word or quote, Cylon. Translation, Greek word meaning wood, timber or tree. It is used generally for materials and is the term related to the wood of the cross. Atharva Veda, Hindu scripture. Quote, whatever we dig out from you, O earth, may that regenerate quickly. Translation, this quote, which emphasizes respect for nature and sustainable use of resources, is often cited in discussions of forestry and wood. Number 4. Some examples of jobs related to your work are carpentry, interior design, etc. What other jobs are related to the project? Look around, speak to people and write your answer. Answer. Since your project focuses on woodworking and making useful objects, other related jobs include joiner, bench hand joiner. Specializes in making and assembling wooden components in a workshop such as doors, windows, staircases and bespoke furniture which are then installed by carpenters. Cabinet maker focuses on designing, building and installing cabinetry and built-in furniture. Furniture maker or artisan designs and crafts standalone pieces of wooden furniture. Wood mechanist operates and prepares woodworking machinery, saws, rotors, planners to cut and shape timber for other craftspeople. Set builder or scenic carpenter builds wooden structures, backdrops and props for theatre, film or television. Luthier, a specialized Youth hire a specialized craftsperson who builds and repairs wooden stringed musical instruments like guitars, violins, or your ektara. Timber framer specializes in building structures using heavy timbers connected by traditional joinery. Foreman or construction manager oversees and manages construction and carpentry teams on a building site. So students, I have completed all the question answers of this chapter. If you want to ask me anything, please comment me. Thank you.